Okay, guys. First of all, hello and welcome to my presentation. This time I want to show you the minimum viable solution that we already finished. It's a web-based application, so-called Geoportal, with the name xMapPortal, and it's a ready solution for the publishing on the live servers. So without further ado, let's dive in and let's check the software in live demo that I will showcase you today. So first of all, I wish to show you the web page dedicated to this xMapPortal, where you can buy it, where you can find out more information about the Geoportal itself, some benefits that we offer about application components that we are using. You have a link to live demo app, so demonstration app that we set up for viewing. You have basic capabilities and subscription plans and option to buy it. So let's first go to Map Portal, and as you can see, it's very fast and it's loading with the HTTPS protocol, so it's very safe in terms of security between end user data and clients who are viewing the geospatial data on the internet. So first of all, I want to discuss the theming mechanism and what we offer in terms of themes and branding. So full application will be published by us on our servers and maintained by us. We will have two main releases over the year, and this will be like in the mid of year and end of year. So in these releases, we will introduce new features and we will fix the bugs that we find in our application. So in terms of the connection between us and the clients and the users, we offer engage options. So you can easily get in contact with us. We offer learning center, report bugs feature on our website. You can suggest improvement, as you can see, request live remote help through remote desktop applications like TeamViewer or AnyDesk, and community and forums on our web page. So let's get back to our application, and I will want to show you the two theming mechanisms that we have, and that's the dark and light theme. So in the current mode, we are in the light theme, and if you go to view, we can go also to dark theme. All colors of the buttons, the text, and the other elements on the web application can be tailored to your needs and your colors, your specific brands. Your logo can be introduced, and your information about you and your organization and what is it and why you are serving the geospatial data can be and will be integrated through us. So next thing that I want to discuss is actually the languages. So currently we have 34 languages, and if you can see, you have also the right to left to right orientation for the Arabic languages. We have our language, local language, English, any type of the language we can add for the next customers if it's not already on the list. All features that will be built in the next iteration of the software will be also translated, and all language specific files will be given to you. So it will be actually installed on our server, but you will have full access to it. So let me go back to the English, because it is most easier for me to present the application. So web application is actually also display ready for all types of displays. So if we go, for example, in development mode and we choose the device like mobile device, you can see the all content on the application is also adopted to this screen. So device is ready for all sizes of the viewing screens. So desktop, mobile, laptop, any type of tablets, and so on and so on. It can be viewed, of course, on the Windows, on the Mac, on the Linux systems. It's a platform agnostic, so it doesn't care about the platform actually. So first thing that most users are interested are the data that we are presenting, and for this demo application we integrate some external data sources that I want to show you, and some features that I want to present to you. So first of the features, let's see, there is a on-off, of course, button for the data, and there is a zoom to this cadastral data this is from the Slovenian cadastral. So each layer can be separately turned off or on, and each layer can be visible from the different scales. So this data is external, so the loading of the data is a bit slower, but generally when your data is uploaded to our server, it will be much faster. So here you can see there is some municipalities and the borders, and there is some features on the map. So this is one of the example of the data. So next example of the data is don't need to be the cadastral. It can be the municipalities, the borders, the symbology, the signs, anything that you have in terms of geospatial location, we can integrate in our application. So let's go now in the cadastral of this is the Netherlands cadastral. So if we zoom, I don't know, maybe some city of the, what is the name, doesn't matter. You can see there is a cadastral parcel data in here. So we can turn on, for example, info, cadastral boundaries, info, and if we click on the cadastral boundaries, you will see there is a info table button. In the terms of the first application and the first release of the application, we integrate WMS and WFS. So as you can see on the bottom of the layer panel, you have the guest mode. So this is the typical end user who wants to see the geospatial data, but we have also login option that we can log in with the administrative credentials, and we can update the map, load new maps. We can even collect the data on the site. What else I want to show you? It's layer transparency. This is the best to show you with the Slovenian orthophoto. I can zoom in and let it just load. Internet is a bit slow, so let me go, I have no idea, somewhere near Ljubljana. And as you can see, there is orthophoto data that it's loading. So the loading of this data is depending on the Slovenian server that's loading the link. But what I want to show you in this case is actually layer opacity. So you can always do opacity of the layers and see one layer through another layer. So this is one great feature to maintain and see what is behind orthophotos, or what is above some certain layers. So data, as I mentioned, doesn't need to be the cadastral data. It can be also geological data, forestry data, water utility data, any type of the data that has geospatial coordinates we can integrate. So let us zoom for UK geological survey map, and let's zoom somewhere here. And depending on the scale, the layer can be visible or not. And as you can see, the loading is presented here. We can introduce more features in the later builds, and of course we can, as I mentioned, do the layer transparency, so you can recheck the data. So this is the left part of the application, and let's now go to the right side of the application. So on the right side, we have, I will just turn off this one so it's much faster. We have live search, for example. We can navigate to Belgrade. So this is a great feature. So if someone from, let's say, Germany wants to see geospatial plans for the Belgrade and see the, for example, for some Belgrade municipalities, see the plans and maps, land that it's can be rented, that can be purchased. He can just simply type the name of the city and go to that place. We will also, this is because we don't have currently our data integrated in the database. We cannot search the database through this search bar. But in your case, in case of your data, when it's integrated, the live search will search through also through the integrated database data. So next features are, for example, if you rotate the map, and this is the most common on the mobile application, we have rotation to the north, we have plus and minus zoom. We can also use the mouse for this one. So yeah, these are simple pan and move functionality. Then we have also base maps, OpenStreet, Cartodark. We have Cartolite and Carto SD imagery. So all information regarding the data that we are taking, it's presented on the bottom of the map. So another great feature is actually geolocation. So user can be, let's say, located in Banja Luka, and he can have interest in finding out, is there any regulation plans or zoning plans in his area, so in his place of living. So he can just simply click on the geolocation button, and because this is HTTPS, we need to just allow geolocation, and the geolocation is throwing the user on his location with the accuracy assessment, accuracy circle. Because I'm now on the PC, accuracy is very low, but generally on the mobile devices you will be able to be in very accurate mode. Even now this is very accurate, but accuracy assessment is a bit lower because I'm on the PC. So info table, I already show you. When you go to the info, click on the feature, it will show you all information that are exposed through the database and through the application to end user. So you don't need to show all data to your end clients, but you can, of course. Next feature that we have here is actually scale bar. Sometimes user wish to just see how much is the approximate, let's say, approximate length of this building. It's 50 meters and it's in the middle, so you can also navigate in pan. So all these panels have option to resize, to go up, to go down, go up, go down. Next feature is change between user coordinate system. This will be defined by you as end client, and you will be able to choose in which coordinate system your data is residing, and in which coordinate system it will be presented to the end user. Coordinates as here, of course, and there is a copy coordinates and the scale. What else I want to show you from this one? Okay, let's go on the top bar. Once again, the languages are here. Info about the geoportal is here. We will integrate your information, your data about geoportal, about features, about functionalities, and everything in this window. In the ribbon bar, that is actually common to all new types of application, and it's now streamlined in our application, and it will be introduced in each type of our application. For example, we have also applications that are CAD-based extensions, and we are planning in the next future updates and next future iterations of this software to connect between the CAD and this GIS web-based application. So user can work on the desktop based CAD software, and this data will be automatically transferred to geodatabase residing on our server, and the update will be automatic on the web app as well. Next button is zoom button. You just can simply zoom in, zoom out. Location same, because we have one type here and we have same application here. We have options to measure points. For example, let's measure corner of this building. you have coordinates here presented, but you have also here measurements layer added to the list. You can download GeoJSON file, so you can load it in any type of geospatial application. You can zoom to this point. You can delete this point, and when you delete this point, it automatically removes the layer that it's loaded. So once again, you can just simply click it, and if you have 7 features, you can download it. You can turn off, turn on, of course, and you can see each feature here and with the coordinates, and you can delete individual features. You can delete the layer. This is for the points. You can delete full list. So we have also measure distance, and you can see there is also lines feature, and we can measure areas. Okay, so all of this can be just simply removed. But for the next feature, I just want to show you the printing option. Let me just measure one point, and let's say this is Banja Luka center point, and you want to export the PDF. So this is now exportable PDF. We have option for A3, A4. We can add the title, and we can go landscape and portrait. This print dialog will download PDF, and it's of course mobile ready. So if you have options to set the scale, or to zoom in, zoom out, and you have also option if the north is not it's rotated, you can just simply rotate by north by clicking on this button. And if you click on download PDF will be downloaded, and you can see there is a map of the PDF. It's kind of nice, but everything here from the name, logos, north arrow, scale bar, any text on the map can be tailored to your needs and your specific functions. Next, here we have base maps. We can access it from the right for the map. Once again, light and dark theme, and about the geoportal. In terms of the data will be stored in PostGIS database, and it will be secured through tunnels. So we are devoting maximum capacity to secure the web application, because of the lot of hack attacks and hacking of the sites, and data needs to be secured, and this will be ensured through any type of the tunnels, tunnel type or specific domain can be tailored to your needs, and it can be created for you. For example, any municipality can have a geoportal.banjaluka.com. So people can go in the city website, access the geoportal, and see the zoning plans. User can also access the user will have access to geodatabase through direct link, or even through GeoServer that is running in the background. So what this means? This means that you can work on the geospatial data, for example, in QGIS desktop app. You can maintain it, update it, add new features, delete features, update classes, update tables, and this will be automatically reflected to the web portal. So you do the change in your office, and it's automatically transferred. It's updated automatically in the web app. In terms of server, I want to just show you what we have currently, but we will expand definitely on this one. So we have 3-core AMD Epic, 4-core AMD Epic, 6-core AMD Epic, and we have also options from 24 GB of RAM to 48. This will, in terms of speed, will increase or decrease the speed, but definitely it's enough for large-scale geodatabases and enterprise applications. So once again, thank you for going through this demo, and I hope you will like it and you will support us in our future plans. Thank you, and see you soon.